Hi there, in this guitar lesson for beginners, I'm going to show you a number of alternative versions of the E major chord. Here's the open E major chord, and for this one we're using fingers 1, 2 and 3. So finger 1 is on the first fret of the G string, finger 2 is on the second fret of the A string, and finger 3 is tucked in underneath on the second fret of the D string. And for this you're going to be playing all 6 strings. So here's version 2 of the E major chord, and you're using the same 3 fingers. However, the second and the third finger have switched around. So you've now got the third finger on the second fret of the A string and the second finger on the second fret of the D string. The first finger is exactly where it was, on the first fret of the G string, and this is a chord shape favoured by Paul McCartney actually. Version 3 of the E major chord uses fingers 2, 3 and 4. Finger 2 on the first fret of the G string, finger 3 on the second fret of the A string, and finger 4 behind it on the second fret of the D string. And this is a good one to know because it will come in very handy for when you start learning to use bar chords, using the F-shaped bar chord. So why don't you give one of those alternative versions of the E major chord a try using some of these backing tracks here. Thanks for watching, happy strumming.